Hi friends, so once again we are here in Clever. We are going to go back to FOSS, make sure it's you, click your student page if it does not show up. We are still in soil, rocks, and landforms. But today we are going to go to our ebook in English. So when you click here you have two choices. The interactive ebook will read it to you, and the PDF book you can read on your own. So either of those you'll get the same information. And so if I click on interactive ebook, you'll see this. When you see that little symbol, you know that you can hear it. If you go down here to this page, it lets you see where some of those things are, and I want to go to page 9. So you can go to page 9 by clicking this to see there's page 6, page 7, page 8. There it is, page 9, Erosion and Deposition. And you're going to go all the way to page 26. So you keep going, you've got your landforms. And page 22 is your last page. Once you're done with reading that, then you have 3 questions to answer on your Google form. And you can refer back to this book if you need to. You don't have to do it from memory.